The nice thing about Save Club is it's very beginner friendly, user friendly. You don't have to be that expert with the 5, the 10, the 20 years of being a guru and doing that online thing where you know how to build websites or build funnels and gather your own tribe, so to speak. Save Club is juicy and delicious by itself. If you, honestly, just like holding this $20 bill like this, and you go up to someone and go, hey, check it out. They'll go, all right, thanks. Okay, thanks. And then they'll go buy something with the $20 bill. That's how I think simple Save Club is as far as the attraction. Is it worth doing? All right, I did a 20 because it's $19.97. So if you have a 20, you get 3 pennies back. That's awesome. 3, not 2 pennies. Most opportunities only give you 2 pennies back. We give you 3 pennies back if you got a 20. Okay, now who's the president on a 20? Do you know? Because I don't. Let's see, Richard Nixon. Oh, God, he looks so different on paper, doesn't he? Nice hair on that dude. Holy crap. He must have Rogaine. Or is it Propecia or is it Cialis? I can't remember. You take pills and you grow. I can't remember. But anyway, $20. Do you have the $20 just to check out Save Club? Because if you're watching my video or videos on YouTube, you have either joined Save Club or you're really thinking about it because you want to save money on things you're already buying or you want to do an online business. And I want you to try this. I think you can do it. That's why I put a lot of time into video. Video takes up a lot of time that I can never get back. And you can't get back if you watch these darn things. But it's so worth it. Okay, now, if you do have a handful of 20s, remember to join Save Club is that 20 minus 3 pennies. But if you have 3 more, okay, for $60 for an entire year, you have a website, capture page, customer support. It's going to be updated weekly with more deals from UK to Mexico. Basically, planet Earth, specializing in Asian areas, billions of people. China, Malaysia's doing well right now, and even the Philippines, I heard last week. There's big chunks of people that are just joining in South Africa and Australia. Awesome. What is going on, mate? Even in Brazil, girls are wearing French bikinis, G-strings, tanning on the beach, and probably saving on maybe lotion or fly swatters, just swatting guys away from them as they lay on the beach in their G-strings. I should know because I got swatted by one. And that's where I said, hey, if you have $20 bill, you can save like $1 or $2 on that fly swatter. And then she took my 20 and she smacked me again with it. But I just sent out an email to a lot of people. And it basically said, if you have $79.97, $80 minus 3 pennies, this is one heck of an opportunity. And I hope you don't pass it up. Because right now, we're nearing the end of May. Today is May 28th of 2025. We're in the pre-launch phase. 30 days ago, we said, ready, set, let's go. Affiliates like myself that paid the $60 and the founder owner, Charles Moy, he just said, go ahead and just, for 30 days, start building downlines. There's like thousands and thousands of savings already in the back office for tons of people to enjoy. And mostly in the beginning, it will be America, then, Canada, Mexico, and give us months and months and months. We're going to have millions of deals worldwide. That is the master plan. But over the last 30 days, if we build a downline of people like yourself that want to invest $60 plus that 20 minus 3 pennies, we can all be affiliates and start building nice groups, nice teams, nice downlines. Because he or she that joins in the beginning, you have a bigger chance of signing up not only people across the street or down at the bowling alley, in your state, in your country, or around planet Earth. Most of my friends that have made a lot of money, and I mean multi-millions, they all started in companies like this in the beginning. Now, if you're watching my video 2 to 3 to 5 to 6 months down the road, or even a year down the road from June 1st of 2025, this is my experience. And I couldn't be more accurate on this. I've signed up thousands and thousands of people over the last couple of years in many businesses. And if you want to see them, go to CoryDraper.com. I would say 9 out of 10, 90% of the people that are going to join up as affiliates, they will pay the fee. In this case, $60. But they are not going to follow through to act like an affiliate. You can be an affiliate. $60, you got 12 full months to just kick ass and take names. But I know that with life or kids, family, stress, I hate to call it drama because a lot of things will, boom, come into your life. And it's not that you're causing that drama, but have you ever had drama and you're just, a year later, you're like, why did I put up with that crap? But sometimes you're going to attract or have drama in your life that's going to distract you. 90% of the people that sign up with me are going to go through all food groups. Drama, life, kids, could be ailments. Or you just get distracted where you join something, and if you don't make all this cash the first, let's say 30 days, you just kind of lose interest and you try something else. That's totally fine. I've done it. We've all done it. Hopefully in this case, you're not going to do it. Because for that $20, you're going to be able to shop and save on things that you are probably buying already. In my case, I hit 900 and something bucks of savings my first 30 days. I had to buy a ton of tires for a couple trucks I have. And I needed this mattress, a couple food things, and a couple car washes. And it came to over 900. I was hoping to hit the 50, but right now it was over a month ago. But I wanted to say I saved $1,000 my first month. I hit almost 950. But you know what I did hit? My next pay is going to total right around $4,000 my first month in Save Club. And I like to use this, not to flash money around. I don't want to be one of those guys on my yacht with Cristal and the chicks in the helicopter videos. I'm so not that guy that I wear a $10 M&M shirt from Walmart, a Hummer hat that I think was $25. And you can see that if I have extra money, it's going to toys and kiss lamps. But it sure in the hell ain't going to show off. I do like to have this $1,000. It's by me all the time because it reminds me that I made $1,000 a week, $4,000 my first month in this company. And all I do is just promote a link for you guys to go click and watch. And if you like what you see, great, join. If not, you need more information, don't worry about it. Take your time, but not too long. We do have somewhat of a time issue because this is a brand new company. If we're around 30 years, then, do your research, do your, scam videos. Is Save Club just a one and done? Is it crazy? What's behind the scenes? I know who created this. I know the background. I like the website. I like how things are paid out as far as the compensation plan. And right now, my proof is that for that $20 bill minus 3 pennies, I was able to save 900 and something. But guys, right here, that is $1,000. And 20s and 50s and a couple hundreds, I think, in there. I can't remember 500. Oh, there they are. I feel like I'm a stripper. My name is Cory Stridex, or Dirt Diggler Draper. I was in the club. And that's right. In my case, I probably had a guy named Bubba come up to me and go, "Boy, you look delicious. I'm going to give you $1,000 and you ain't going to walk for a week after I'm done with you." And I'm like, oh, crap. But I did make $1,000, so thank you, Bubba. Actually, I busted my buns just by having fun on video and emailing people. And people getting a hold of me through Facebook usually, and they inbox me because I can type pretty good on my keyboard right in front of me. And I've been able to just invite people to 2 different links because when you join, you're going to have your own link, your own page with the video of our CEO that will explain things for you. So if you're not into the video stuff yet, don't worry. A lot of people don't want to do what I'm doing now, where you speak into a webcam with a little light that blinds you when you talk, and you upload it to, let's say, YouTube, and then just share that link to the YouTube video, like probably how you're watching right now. But we already have videos made for you to use. They promote Save Club. All you got to do is say, hey, here's my link. If you like what you see, please click, and you can become a member for the 20. If you got 3 more 20s, awesome. $79.97. Let's get you in as an affiliate because I want you to earn money. I don't think you're going to have much difficulty telling friends and family. Everybody does friends and family in the beginning. And if your family does go to your link and they like what you see, they're going to get a hold of you in a week or two and go, you know what, that 20 bucks was awesome because I am going to save $100. I'm going to save $500 on a cruise, Disney, flights, food, auto repair. Everything under the sun is already there just for us in the United States. But oh my gosh, wait till this thing opens up worldwide. Millions of deals with millions of people paying that 20 bucks a month. Our deals are going to be even bigger than Orbit and Priceline, and I already know that we are in that category because I search every day for typical things that I might do. And a lot of times the price and the Orbit prices are right there with Save Club, and we're cheaper already, and we're not even officially kicked off for 2-3 more days. So imagine in the next 3 to 6 months, people are going to save more money than ever. And that is just on the membership side. And when they find out for those 3 $20 bills that they can earn money too, wow. Wow. And for me to make $4,000 already, oh my. Very good feeling. Thank you so much. If you've joined my group and my team, I send you an email and I invite you into my group. I want you to be in our 2 private-only Facebook groups, right? We have the most successful Save Club people in it already. That's how we have all the videos for free for you and banners, pictures, everything to post on social media, video or picture-wise. Because if you don't have experience or you just have brain fog and you're not used to coming up with ideas every day of something pretty interesting to post, we have you covered. We have a lot of content. All you got to do is join. Join my team. I'm going to invite you right in. Because if you make money, guess what? I can make some money too. I want to help you sign people up. And if they start making money, I can make money too. 5 levels deep, I'm going to help. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, you're 4th level down. Let's just form a little partnership right now and just do a little high five. Except you get like 99.9% of what you should earn. And if I can make a little something awesome because it all adds up. This is like a nice marathon. I'm not going anywhere. I really enjoy this type of business. I'm very successful in another company called Live Good. And this website and pay plan is somewhat similar. And I do the same things. I do YouTube. I keep things fun. I just invite people to click a link that goes to a video. And I'm going to show you 2 links here as I wrap up this video. And then I'm done. Set it up, one and done. In this case, do you have $79.97? I want you to do this so bad. And I want you to do it now because I think, in my opinion, you're going to have a greater opportunity to build a bigger team right now just because there's no competition. Even in 3 to 6 months, there's not going to be any competition. And if 1,000 people sign up in Save Club as an affiliate, I know that 90 to 95% are not going to follow through. And I don't want that to be you because when you join my team, you're going to have some nice friendship and some nice people worldwide in that Facebook group. Or if you want to join both, I highly recommend you do. You're going to have access to my Facebook. You can see I screw off all the time. You know, the more fun I have, the more successful. I just had 2 more people sign up. I've signed up 13 people in the last 10 days. Almost 1.5 people. That's right. I have 1 person sign up and then half of somebody signs up. Like I had a pair of legs sign up the other day and then the other top part of the body signed up 3 days later. But right now I've signed up 13 people. And thank you if you're one of those 2 that just signed up this morning. And how I do it is through a funnel system. So if you would like to join for that $80 minus 3 pennies, I want you to look into something else too, because that extra $25 I'm going to kindly request that you spend and invest into yourself. I want you to highly look into this, okay? Now look at the screen. The one on the left here, the I Love Save Club, it's amazing. It shot me in the top, I think I'm 7th in the world right now in the company, and I'm very happy with that. And the success I've had the last 2 weeks, Save Club funnels, with my funnel system, $25. I want you to look into it. It's already put well over $800 additional in my pocket. $4,000 from Save Club. I've saved $950 with Save Club membership. And this funnel system has put over $800 in my pocket, and it's recurring. So if everybody loves the funnel and they want to get it again, it's $25. And I'm able, through the affiliate, where the company pays me $20 per person. So right now, when I have 100, 200 people in this great funnel system, I'm able to make thousands of dollars each month. It'll grow and grow because I have no doubt the Save Club funnel is going to probably benefit you, especially if you don't have a lot of experience. The funnel system is superior. And the reason why is because it takes you on a nice, slow journey through video that explains it. And if you don't understand Save Club, watch it again. But I want you to go to both those links on my page right now. Okay? I think you're going to like it. You're going to have a good time just sitting back, and you can visualize, I can do this. I just have to do what Cory says. Get maybe a business card like those red ones. Let's see, Vistaprint. Oh, hold on, guys. Got my alarm. Vistaprint. Go there, $22. Go to GoDaddy. Get a custom domain. And then after you join, I give you instructions how to forward, like I love saveclub.com or saveclubfunnels.com, how to forward to a certain video where the video does all the recruiting. Okay, so just relax. You can do this. Even if you're a beginner. That's why I enjoy Save Club and the funnel system. It is for people with zero experience and just a tiny bit of money. I ask you invest about $80 plus another 25. So for about $105, I want you to do everything that's on your screen right now. And if you have an extra 22, get some cards. That way, if this comes up on a business level in person, then just give that person, even if it's a relative, give them your business card and say, hey, just go to saveclubfunnels.com. Go to ilovesaveclub.com. That's what I do. You want your own funnel, links, but that's what I do. And it just seems to work. So I want you to copy what I do and then get it great advice from our team, okay? All right, I'll let you go. Right now, 16 minutes. Thanks for your time, okay? And check it out. I think you're going to like what you see. And this is where I just pass over to Charles, our CEO, and a buddy, Melvin, where they just take their time and explain Save Club in greater detail than this video right now, okay? Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you guys have a good day, okay? All right, thanks, guys.